Cryptopapa.
Hey everybody, welcome to Cryptopapa, where crypto is hard, but Papa makes it easy. My name is Conan. Once again, thank you very much for clicking in for another video. This is where we talk about cryptos every day, and also we are sharing to you some of the views that we analyze daily. So before we begin, please, this is not a financial advice. Please do your own due diligence and also your risk management. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the market. So before we entering into the market, there's something that everybody should know, because this is a very good news and also a very good head start for everybody's out there. So guess what? Altcoins season is knocking on the door. So moving on to the BTC dominance, where for the recent value percentage of the BTC.D has faced a very strong resistance under this trend line, and we might expect for the value will be dropping continuously back to the support area of the 45 to 42%. But just the fact that this is a weekly chart, where as you can see, this is a symmetrical triangle where the value percentage are bouncing, are traveling inside this channel. So we might expect that a new altcoin seasons might be start at any time soon. So this is a very good head start for all the investor out there, and also this might bring in some of the good news for everybody. So we might really need to stay tuned to the altcoins and also in the market. Switching back to the bitcoins of the day, where on a 1 hour timely chart, as what we predicted 2 days ago, from the all-time high of 126,000 price value area, it started to retrace back to the 115,000, and currently they are doing a very nice accumulation setup inside this symmetrical triangle. So we are predicting for the next movement of bitcoins, we are catching a 1-to-1 ratio of the breakouts area, or we might see maybe it goes up to the upside of the 126,000 area. So we stay tuned for this one. So let's take a look at Pi. Pi is currently using the provider SMA. We are seeing a Pi is still doing a very deep downtrend unless it starts to break off through this symmetrical triangle. So we are still expecting for it to break off before we decided to make an entry. So we stay tuned for this one. So the next and the last signal of today will be the Hook USDT. So for the current Hook USDT, they are doing a very nice third contraction setup, which is nicely under control in a 6%, in under a 6% contraction. So we wait for the price action candle to break off to the upper side. Only then you take in the position. So that's all for today. I hope you liked the video. Please to help us to like, share and subscribe to the channel to see more of the videos coming. I hope you get rich, and I will see you in the next video.
Where crypto is hard, but Papa makes it easy.